If you have never tried to grow cucumbers, they are one of the easiest vegetables to plant and to grow. All you have to do is get yourself some good soil. And it's been hot in the Midwest, zone 5A. We've been in the upper 80s, sometimes the 90s with the heat index around 100. But I'm going to add water to this once it cools off. But there's my first cucumber. Like I said, cucumbers are easy. All you need is some soil, water them, and then once they start to grow, get yourself something so they can climb up, some type of trellis, and you won't have any problems. So question for you in the comments box, have you ever grown cucumbers before? And if you have, let me know what type and how they turned out for you.